Hey guys, I hope that you're doing very well. So today we're going to look at a picking pattern that you can try out with any of the chords we've already learned. If you missed the previous video, you can go check it out here on my channel where we discussed how you can change faster between chords. And if you're still struggling to press down on the chords, go back to my third video in this video series in this guitar course. So let's jump right into the video. All right, so I'm going to use the D, the A and the G. It was the same chord progression that we used 2 videos ago, but the difference is today we're not going to strum. Today we're going to utilize our fingers to pick. So these will be our fingers for learning the picking pattern. This will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Our pinky will always be supporting our hand over here. So what we're going to do is, you're going to put your thumb on the D string. Okay, you're going to put your index finger on the G string, middle finger on the B string, ring finger on the E string. Okay, so each one of these has their own string. While my pinky is supporting my hand over here, you'll see my hand is also slightly tilted. Alright, so this picking pattern goes like the following. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. I'm sure you've heard this picking pattern from the song, Don't You Feel Like Crying? I don't know the song's name. Sorry for that. It must have hurt your ears. Okay, so we have it for the D, then we're going to do the A. Now for the A, all that we're going to do is, we're going to lift up all of our fingers one string. So from here to here. My chord's also going to change. D to A. So for the A, it's going to be the exact same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2.
Nice.
Okay, and then we're going to go to the G. So for the G, we're going to do the following. I'm going to change my chord to G. Then I'm going to put my thumb on the top, and my index, middle, and ring fingers are going to be on the bottom 3 strings, or the top 3 strings, as you'll see here. So got it. So the picking pattern once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. So this is how it's all going to sound together. So D, then A, G, and then we're going to go back to A. But the thing is, we don't want to stop between these chords. So if you're still struggling with changing between the chords, once again, you can go back to the previous video where we handled how you can do chord changes fast, and well, 2 videos back, not the previous video. Let's hear them all together without stopping. Here we go. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And you can also turn on the bell notifications if you want to get notified when I upload a new video. I really hope that this video helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video in the guitar course. Have an awesome day.